Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree. I do all things budgeting. In this video, I just wanted to kind of check in on the budget and show you guys how I'm doing, how much I spent. Y'all, let's look at this. So, on Wednesday the 6th, it was a payday. And hold on, let me get this pen. So Wednesday the 6th, it was a no spend. I had my days mixed up with the Amazon payment. So instead of the payment being due at the end of the month, it was actually due on the 6th. So I went ahead and paid it. So that kind of makes my budget kind of over budget for the bills, but that's okay. On the 7th, I had a no spend. On that Friday, I actually spent some money and we did eat at home. We had beef tips, rice, gravy, and also it was my god twin's birthday. When it comes to that Saturday, so we have these three bills that were paid automatically. I had a no spend, and we also had kind of like hamburger Salisbury steaks. We had biscuits and gravy. For some reason, I was in the mood to cook, and that is what I did. And Jasmine is here being a big baby laying on my foot, but it's okay because we're fixing to go anyway. When it comes to Sunday the 10th, we ate at home again. We actually had leftovers and I did not have anything spent. I also sort of went over budget, but you'll see that in a few. Next, on Monday the 11th, we ate at home. We had brisket. I cooked some fried cabbage, y'all, New Orleans style with sausage. What else I have? Sausage, potatoes, all of that good stuff. And then I had my hair appointment, which I did just get my hair washed, straightened, dried, all of that. Normally when I get my hair washed, I typically just get it flat ironed. And I get it flat ironed because with my job, I do wear a headset, and every time I get curls, like the curls get caught in the headset and my hair end up pulling. So I just went with straight hair because it's easier for me. On the 12th, which is a Tuesday, we had leftovers. We ate at home, and it was another no spend. On the 13th, which was a Wednesday, we ate at home. We actually had hamburgers this time. And I did go ahead and make my payment of $125.65 to my Leaders Credit Union credit card. Next, Friday the 14th. Is that right? Okay, that is not Friday the 14th, thank goodness. So Thursday the 14th, we ate at home. It was a kind of a lazy day where we were supposed to cook some food, but we didn't. So I just ended up eating some pizza rolls. And Travis, he just went to sleep. So it was easier on me. On the 15th, of course, I did pay the NES bill way in advance. So that was paid. And HP Instaprint, that got paid. And that was automatic. We did eat at home. It was a no spend. And we actually had chicken salad on the Saturday, which was the 16th. We ate at home. Travis had some fish, which on this day it was actually leftovers because we originally had it on this day that evening. And we ate the leftovers. I just put it in the air fryer to get it crispy again. And yeah, I just made some macaroni, and that was a meal for us. And it was also my goddaughter's birthday, which now looking at this, I actually put this on the wrong day, which her birthday is today, which is the 17th, the day that I am recording this. And as of the time that I'm recording this, I'm going to go ahead and add it in. I did spend at Dunkin', which means that I'm over budget. I'm going to show you all why. Okay, so I'm going to one-hand this now. And on the 6th, of course, we did do grocery shopping at Walmart. Spent $65.44. Ended up with $134.55, 6 55 cents or 56 cents left. On the 7th, Uber, which was coming from gas, that was $6.56. On the 7th, I did, for some reason, I thought my mom actually didn't pay the extra $2 that should have went with her cable bill, so I went ahead and paid it from spending. On the 8th, I did send Tasha over at Mind Your Money $10 when she was live. On the 9th, I actually needed gas for the car, so that was $35 for a fill up. On the 10th, I needed to borrow $20. I needed to let somebody borrow $20 and they were going to give it back. So I went ahead and gave it to them. And I actually got that back, which is not written in here. On the 11th, I did a big grocery haul. And that was on the 10th and the 11th. I bought groceries, household stuff, like everything that was needed. Overall, it was $198.40. And this is where everything changes after the green line here. So the next few payments are from Capital One. So Jasmine needed some things. It was that time right there. So we had to buy some diapers and other things for her. I got that from Amazon. It was $45.74. Groceries, did another haul. It was household wellness stuff. $38.15. Of course, I did say that I got my hair done. It actually wasn't in the budget, but if y'all would have seen my hair when I came back from Atlanta, yeah, y'all would have said, go ahead and get your hair done. Like, I looked it like a freaking poodle. So I got it done. That was $60. And Capital One, I went to CVS, paid for my eye drops that were $30, which I didn't know at the time that I already had some here, which you'll see that when I get to the bottom. Uber Eats, and this was an old transaction, but it was still showing. So $23.05, and I'm just adding this in because it makes sense that way. When it comes to eye drops, that was $10. I do take Travaya for dry eye, and I have to get it by mail, which costs $10. When it comes to my Leaders Credit Union, I take more dry eye medicine, which was $30. Leaders Credit Union, this was still on my card from when we went to vacation in New Orleans. $36.13. I couldn't tell you what it was for. So let's see how much I owe. For spending, I was in a negative $179.73. Gas, I was over by $41.56. Self-care, I was over by $60. Let's see. Vacation, due to this trip right here, negative $36.13. Foodie, which was at Uber charge, I was negative $23.05. And wellness, I was over, well, I'm not really over in wellness because I do have money for wellness in the bank, but I'm just going to pay it from some cash that I get next week. And as of today, I did use my Capital One for Dunkin', but check this out. So all of the Capital One payments that I've used or gotten, it's not due until November, so I have from now until the due date in November to pay. And then when it comes to Discover, this line item right here, $23.05, is due in October. And then this line item here for $10 is due in November. So, with that being said, I don't have to be in a rush to pay all of this back yet. And I can just pretty much take my time. But most of these charges are going to get taken care of next week. And I'm totally fine with going over budget. I was able to get everything that I need. You all have a great rest of your Sunday. Well, when you probably see this, it'll be Monday. So have a great day.